Hello, my name is Grant Schauer, and I'm originally from Albuquerque, New Mexico. That's where I got my undergraduate degree in biochemistry, and I also was doing my master's there in biomedical science. And at the time, I got a Department of Energy training grant to go to Johns Hopkins to work in a new institute called the Institute of Multi-Scale Modeling of Biological Interactions. So a lot of computationally intensive stuff. That's where I became very interested in computational biology and structural biology. And while I was there, I saw a talk by Yvette Bihar, who's the chair of computational biology at Pitt. And I was just amazed at what she could do with her elastic network models. And I thought it was a really elegant system, and it piqued my interest in Pittsburgh and in the program in general. That's why I started to look into MBSB. And I found that MBSB was a pretty comprehensive biophysics program. It was exactly what I wanted to get the training I needed. And so I was really happy to join. And when I did join, I will say that I was mostly interested in the computational biology side. And part of the reason I loved MBSB so much is because they give you freedom to, rotate and choose from a really broad list of faculty. And I kind of realized through my rotations that maybe computational biology, while I loved it, I didn't really want to do much more with it than use it as a tool. So I actually joined Sanford Luba's lab, where we did single molecule FRET work on a couple of various systems, collaborating with different people. And I chose that lab because I thought the technique was so powerful, and at the time it was pretty new and fresh, and it's still a powerful technique. And MBSB was great because it's, was really cross-disciplinary. Again, I had access to a lot of different faculty, and one thing that was great is, I became interested in a system, which was HIV reverse transcriptase, and I could just go to a faculty at Pitt who worked on that system, and I said, hey, I want to collaborate and do this project. And it turns out we had this really neat project that was pretty transformative to the field. So I was just really happy overall with the education I received at MBSB. I thought it was truly quite comprehensive. We learned everything you kind of needed to know in order to think about structural biology in quantitative terms. And so I really got what I sought out to get. And so after MBSB, I joined Mike O'Donnell's lab at Rockefeller University, mainly to get expertise on sort of classic biochemistry, which I wasn't particularly doing in the lab at Pitt. And so I studied DNA replication and learned how to purify protein complexes. And I did that for about 6 years. And then after that, I joined Colorado State University as faculty in the biochemistry and molecular biology department. And so I'm a fairly new assistant professor, and I study eukaryotic DNA replication at the single molecule level. So using the techniques that I developed and learned at Pitt, which is single molecule FRET and single molecule fluorescence. So to any of those watching, I would highly recommend MBSB. I thought it was a fantastic program. All right, good luck and thank you.